Hello and welcome to this video on how to repair a bike crash helmet where the section here, as shown, has broken. This is part of the section that tightens the helmet onto your head using the wheel up here. Now what happened was that broke, and a tricky little number to repair. We did take it to the bike shop we brought it from. They found out that you couldn't get hold of it as a spare part. They did have a go at fixing it using tape, which I didn't have much confidence in, and sure enough it broke immediately. So it was one of those little ones that I thought, I think I got some bits around the house and I'd like to see if I can cobble something together and repair it, and I'm pleased to say I did. So I'm doing this little video just to show what I did, and maybe someone else will find this useful. Okay, these are the 4 things that I used to repair the helmet: a pair of pliers, Noticeboard pin, 2 little pieces of wire with insulation on them, and some black insulation tape. Now what I decided to do was basically and very carefully use the Noticeboard pin to pierce 2 holes, one in this section here and one in this section here. It was something that was quite fiddly and was done very slowly so not to break anything. I had planned on even heating the metal part of the Noticeboard pin if necessary, but I didn't need to. That's what it looks like when you eventually, patiently, by twirling it around back and forth, different directions, putting a bit of pressure on, eventually it will break through. Then what I did was take off the insulation from the little strip of wire that I showed you earlier, and using the pliers I pulled it through both sides. I then, as you can see, wound it around till it eventually looks like that. What that does is support the structure as a whole, and then I just added a bit of black insulation tape, or the color of your choice. And the good news is, whilst there's a little loss in the length of it because of the overlap required to achieve the fix, it's absolutely rock solid. I would almost suggest it's as good as the original, if not stronger. So I hope anyone watching this found that helpful, should they end up in the same situation as myself.